Sometimes love isn't about grand gestures. It's about standing firm through the storms, holding on when it's tough, and choosing to be present. This poem, titled Listen, is a quiet but powerful reminder that love is heard most clearly through action, not perfection. Listen. I'd think twice before you step to me. I love real hard, it won't be easy. You don't have to always please me. Just don't up and leave me. It doesn't matter who's right or wrong. When one is weak, the other is strong. Through the sunshine, through the storms. When the wind blows, our foundation is strong. I can't live forever. I don't want to dream of love. I want to love and be loved. Thanks for listening to Heartbeat Expressions, where love is spoken, not just felt. Subscribe for more poems that speak to your soul.